everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, try on BoxyCharm for the month of May. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now for all these beauty hacks and all these unboxings and lifestyle videos. So for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, this is a subscription box. You pay $21 every month, and inside the box is always worth over $100. It comes between 4 and 5 full-size products. Alright, so let's open this guy, and I already have my foundation and my brows on, so I hope there is nothing skincare here right now because I already put my base basically. So let's open this, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so for this product right here is why we have this big weird shape box this month instead of the regular smaller ones version. Here is the thing of the month. Sorry about that. It says make wave BoxyCharm, and we also have all the products here. The first one that I see here is the GlamGLow. Oh my god, this packaging is beautiful. It reflects so nice. This is a gentle bubble daily conditioning cleanser. Wow. So this is have blend with amino acids, conditioning cleanser, facial makeup removal. This is great. Let's see how it looks like. So the packaging is the same as the box. It's a long and big squishy tube. Let's see if it has any smell. Wow, I can't believe it. It does not have a smell, and GlamGLow always have like strong smells. Strong fragrance. And this one doesn't. Wow, I'm amazed. This looks really good. I will be trying this tonight, and I will let you know down below in the description box, or maybe a message that I put on there, what I think about this one. And it's worth $28. The next product that I see is this little guy by the brand Seattle London. Yeah, Seattle London, and this is an eye luster. Let's see what is this. This is something for the eyes. It's a metallic eyeshadow, and oh my goodness, look at this color. It's a purple color. It's so pretty. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, I'm amazed. This is not even purple. It looks purple here, but it's more gold. Like it has purple on it, but it's more like a gold shimmer color. And this is worth $22. The next product that I see is this little lipstick by the brand Doss, and it's worth $18. Let's check the color. Color name of this is a Pink Promise. It is so beautiful. It matches my nails. This is so beautiful. This color is wow. Oh my god, it's so bright. I love it. I don't have anything like this. No, I do have something like this, but wow, this is pretty. I like it. I don't have anything from this brand, so I'm very excited to try it. The next product that I see here is, I haven't never seen this brand before. Alamar. Yes, Alamar. This is a color blush trio. It's these 3 beautiful blushes. Wow, they're so beautiful. I really like them. This is worth $22. Yes, it's a good price for this. All of them are blushes. Yes, definitely all of them are blushes. It has a little thin of shimmer on them, but they're very pretty. The last product is this eyeliner by the brand Bodyography. And I never heard of this brand before, and this is green. I don't know how I'm gonna be working today with this, but I will give it my best. This is worth $14. Alright guys, I'm gonna be putting a little bit bronzer, and for that I'm gonna be using my new Chic Glitters Mini Bronzer Squad. I'm going to be using the color Ola that is in this pan. I'm gonna put a little bronzer, and I will be back. I also primed my eyelid a little bit with the Urban Decay eyeshadow prime potion, this little one here. Let's now try the eyes, and I'm gonna be using a palette for putting a little bit of base because I don't want to just put shimmer on my eyes and that's it. And for that, I'm going to be using my Riviera palette. I'm going to be grabbing this from Sephora. This is a brush number 38 and I'm going to go with Custom Line, which is this color right here. And let's start, and I put my nail on it. Yes, I did put my nail on it. And let's start creating a base for the eye. And then we're gonna put a little more dimension in the corner. And then here in the center, I'm gonna put the Seattle London color, eyeshadow color. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this color called Palm. Now that we have a base for the eyes, let's go ahead with the color. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. This eye look is so beautiful. This shadow is so beautiful. What I did with it now, I'm amazed. I really like it. I really like it. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Wow, it's so pretty. I really like it. Let's move on. Continue with the eyes. I'm gonna be lining a little bit my eye with this, and I'm gonna be applying mascara. So I'm gonna line just tiny bit because this is green. I don't wanna be like creating too much. Let's see how it performs. Well, this is how it come out looking like. I mean, I like the shadow from Seattle London, but this one from Body Graphy, not too much. I don't know, maybe if it was a different color. I mean, it's not ugly, but it's not just my favorite one. And now let's move on with the cheeks. I'm gonna be using this by Alamar. I'm very excited to try this product. I never tried nothing from this brand, so I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna try something more orangey, more like everything here is so colorful, so I want to try Castaway, and Paraíso looks pretty too though. I'm gonna review Castaway, which is this one in this corner. Let me grab a small brush. I'm gonna be using this angle brush. It's no big deal. I'm just gonna be using this for my cheeks and see how it performs. I already can see that it is buildable. It doesn't show right away in the skin. My skin is medium to light to medium. It's not too dark, so it shows a little bit. Very subtle. I really like it though. Actually, it's very pretty. Let's put another color in this one. I'm gonna put the other orange one that is right. The other orange that is right here, or maybe this one. Let's try this one, Paraíso. I'm gonna grab another brush to don't make the colors I don't see that much. Let's put more. Now I see it. Now I see it, yeah. It is a pretty color. It's more in the sheer side. I kind of like more the orange side than the pink side. But it's, I mean, both sides is very pretty. I like both. Now let's go for the lips. And I don't know if this color is gonna look okay with my eye look, but let's just try it. It's a very pretty color. Alright guys, I used all the products from BoxyCharm this month to create this makeup look. That obviously I use a couple of products from my own collection. I use my foundation, I use my bronzer, I use some of my shadows, and I use the product for my brows. But the blush, the glitter in top of my shadows, and obviously the liner and my lips were all of them coming from BoxyCharm. I really like the orange blush. It's super pretty. I love this lip color. It's so loud and beautiful. I love it. I love the glitter. This is so beautiful. This eyeshadow glitter is beautiful. It's super easy to put on. I loved it. The only thing that I don't like so far, and it's not that I hate it, but I just don't love it so much, is the liner. I mean, besides that, everything is super nice. I will let you know by tonight. I mean, not tonight. I will use it tonight, and I'll let you know down in the description box what I think about this product, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it because I really like GlamGLow products anyways, and this doesn't have a fragrance, so I think it's gonna be a win. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!